Today we're going to be creating a natural quill nymph that is perfect for high pressure waters. For starters, we're going to use a firehole stone with a matching Euro hook, and we're going to be using a size 16/0 Vivis black thread. We'll start by attaching our thread to our hook shank and snapping it free. Next we'll wrap towards the head of our fly and use some lead-free wire to help secure that bead in place so it's not going to move around the hook. Helicopter free and grab some peacock feathers. We're going to grab a single feather and strip all of our fibers off of it, leaving us with just a quill. Attach that quill to the body of the nymph and wrap that back towards the bend of the hook. Once there, we can begin building a body transition to the head of our fly, and we'll do this by wrapping all the way up towards the head and then almost back down to where we started. Continuing this towards the head makes a perfect transition. Once that's complete, we can grab our quill and start wrapping it in closed spirals to the head of our fly. If given a little space, the black thread underneath can give a nice segmentation to our body as well. Once we reach the head of the fly, we will secure our quill by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind and snipping it free. Next, we'll take some UV resin and paint this over our quill. This is going to add durability, but most of all, it's also going to give it a sleek, shiny look that really makes the quill pop. Once you're happy, you can hit that with a UV light, securing it in place. We'll switch over to a tan thread, and for the head of our fly, I chose to mix brown and natural hare's ear together. The natural creates a nice addition to this fly, so it's not all one uniform color. We'll use our new dubbing blend to create a dubbing noodle, and start to wrap this just behind the bead of our fly. Once finished, we'll pull everything back, give one securing wrap towards the head of our fly, and start to brush out our dubbing so this fly is going to have a nice buggy look. Once you're happy, you can trim away any excess fibers, and that is one of my favorite natural Euro midges to use. It sinks fast, avoids snags on the bottom, and is excellent at catching trout. If you guys want to try out this fly, you can visit my website and I'd be happy to tie some up for you. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more just like it, you can always hit subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.